नमस्कार नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. स्टे होम लर्न फ्रॉम होम या कोविड-19च्या व्हिडिओ सिरीजमध्ये आपलं सहर्ष स्वागत आहे. आय एम अनंत पोंदे, असिस्टंट टीचर, गर्ल्स हायस्कूल अंजी मोठी वर्धा. टुडे we discuss class 8 chapter first, rational and irrational numbers. Last period we discussed which are natural number, which are whole numbers, which are rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers, the numbers of the form m upon n are called rational numbers. Here m and n are integer, but n is not equal to 0. For example, 4 upon 5, 11 upon 9, negative 7 upon 3. How to show rational numbers on a number line? Here is the number line 0. We can show positive number on right side of the 0 and negative number on left side of 0. In this video, we will study comparison of rational numbers. We know that for any pair of numbers on a number line, the number to the left is smaller than the others. In this number line, we know that negative 2 is less than negative 1, negative 1 is less than 0, and 0 is less than positive 1, positive 1 is less than positive 2, and so on. We also know that if the numerator and denominator of a rational number is multiplied by any non-zero number, then the value of rational number does not change. It remains the same. Let us see the example. Here 5 upon 2. It is a rational number. If we multiply this rational number by the same integers, non-zero integers, 5 multiplied by 2 and 2 multiplied by 2, we get 5 to the 10, 2 to the 4. From the above example, we can say that a upon b, if we multiply a upon b by the any integer k, k multiplied by a upon k multiplied by b, then we get ka upon kb. Here a upon b is equal to ka upon kb. Let us see some example. Compare the numbers 5 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. Write using the proper sign of less than, equal to, and greater than. Let us solve this example. 5 upon 4. 4 is the denominator and 5 is the numerator. Here is the numerator. And 4 is the denominator. Here 2 upon 3 is the another rational number. 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. We know that if we multiply numerator and denominator by any non-zero integers, then the number is equivalent. So let us divide 5 upon 4 by 5 multiplied by 3 and 4 multiplied by 3. Here 5 threes are 15 and 4 threes are 12. Rational number 2 upon 3 is multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 4 and 3 multiplied by 4. Here 4 twos are 8 and 3 fours are 12. 15 upon 12 and 8 upon 12. Here denominator of both the numbers are same. Therefore, numerator is greater, then the number is also greater. Here 15 upon 12, we can say 15 upon 12 is greater than 8 upon 12. Let us see another example. Compare the rational number negative 7 upon 9 and 4 upon 5. A negative number is always less than the positive numbers. Therefore, negative 7 upon 9 is less than 4 upon 5. Compare two negative numbers. If A and B are any two positive numbers, A is less than B, then negative A is greater than negative B. For example, 2 less than 3, then negative 2 is greater than negative. Here 11 is less than 100, then negative 11 is greater than negative 100. 2 is less than 3, but negative 2 is greater than negative 3. 5 upon 3 less than 7 upon 3, but negative 5 upon 3 is greater than negative 7 upon 3. Example 3. Compare the number negative 7 upon 3 and negative 5 upon 3. First compare 7 upon 3 and 5 upon 2. Here 7 upon 3 is multiplied by 2, numerator and denominator. We get 7 to the 14, 3 to the 6. 5 upon 2 is multiplied by 3 on both numerator and denominator. 5 3s are 15 and 2 3s are 6. Here 14 upon 6 and 15 upon 6. Numerator of the both the rational number are same. Therefore, greater the numerator, greater the number. Here 14 upon 6 less than 15 upon 6. Therefore, negative 14 upon 6 greater than negative 15 upon 6. Therefore, we can say that negative 7 upon 3 is greater than negative 5 upon 2. Compare 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 10 are rational number. Here 3 upon 5, numerator is 3 and denominator is 5. Here is the numerator, 5 is denominator. Also 6 upon 10, 6 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. 3 upon 5 is multiplied by 2 2 and 5 is also multiplied by 2. 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. Here is the 6 upon 10. Both are the same. Therefore, 6 by 10 is equal to 6 by 10. Therefore, we can say that 3 upon 5 is equal to 6 upon 10. These are equivalent rational numbers. To compare rational number, there are some rules. The following rules are useful to compare two rational numbers. If A upon B and C upon D are rational numbers such that A and B are positive, and first two line A multiplied by D less than B multiplied by C, then A upon B less than C upon D. For example, 5 by 2, 5 upon 2 and 4 upon 3. Here 5 upon 2 means A upon B. Second, 4 upon 3 means C upon D. A multiplied by D is equal to what? 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. B multiplied by C means 2 multiplied by 4. 2 4 is 8. Here 15 is greater than 8. Therefore, 5 upon 2 greater than 4 upon 3. Second rule, A multiplied by D is equal to B multiplied by C. Then A upon B is equal to C upon D. For example, 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 10. Here A upon B is equal to 3 upon 5 and C upon D is equal to 6 upon 10. Here A multiplied by D is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 30. C multiplied by B is equal to 6 multiplied by 5, 30. Therefore, A multiplied by D equal to B multiplied by C. Therefore, A upon B is equal to C upon D. Therefore, we can say 3 upon 5 is equal to 6 upon 10. Let us see third condition. A multiplied by D is greater than B multiplied by C. Then A upon B greater than C upon D. Let us see negative 7 upon 11 and negative 3 upon 4. Here A upon B is equal to negative 7 upon 11 and C upon D is equal to negative 3 upon 4. A multiplied by D is negative 7 multiplied by 4. 7 for the 28 means negative 28. D multiplied by C is equal to D multiplied by C is equal to 11 multiplied by negative 3 is equal to 11 theta 33 means negative 33. Here A multiplied by D is greater than B multiplied by C. That is negative 28 greater than negative 33. Therefore, we can say that negative 7 upon 11 is greater than negative 3 upon 4. From the above rule, solve practice set 1.2. Compare the following numbers. First, negative 7 and negative 2. We know that 7 is greater than 2. Therefore, negative 7 is less than negative 2. Second, 0 and negative 9 upon 0 and negative 9 upon 5. Third, we know that 0 is always greater than negative 9 upon 5. Here, 0 is less than 9 upon 5. But 0 is greater than negative 9 upon 5. 8 upon 7 and 0. Here, 8 upon 7 is greater than 0. Because 8 upon 7 on the right side of the 0 on the number line. Negative 4, negative 5 upon 4. Here and 1 by 4. We know that positive number is always greater than negative number. Therefore, negative 5 upon 4 is less than 1 upon 4. 40 upon 29 and 141 upon 29. Here, 29 is the denominator of both the rational number. Therefore, greater the numerator, greater the number. Therefore, 40 upon 29 is less than 141 upon 29. On the number line, 0. Here is the 40 upon 29 and approximately 141 upon 29. Therefore, we know that if we go from left side to right side on the number line, number is bigger. Therefore, 40 upon 29 is less than 141 upon 29. Negative 17 upon 20 and negative 13 upon 20. Let us compare first positive number. 17 upon 20 is bigger than 30 upon 20. Therefore, negative 17 upon 20 less than negative 13 upon 20. Here, 12 upon 15 and 3 upon 5. If A upon B is equal to 12 upon 15 and 3 upon 5 is equal to C upon D. Here, A multiplied by B multiplied by C is equal to 15 multiplied by 3. We get 75. Here A multiplied by D is equal to 12 multiplied by 5 is equal to 60. We know that 60 is less than 75. Therefore, A multiplied by D is equal to 60 less than B multiplied by C, means A upon B less than C upon D. 12 upon 15 less than 3 upon 5. Example number 10, negative 7 upon 11, negative 3 upon 4. A upon B is equal to negative 7 upon 11. And C upon D is equal to negative 3 upon 4. A multiplied by D is equal to negative 7 multiplied by 4 and B multiplied by C is equal to 11 multiplied by negative 3. Therefore, negative 28 and here is negative 33. We know that negative 28 is greater than negative 33, means A multiplied by D less than B multiplied by C. Therefore, A upon B greater than C upon D. Therefore, we can say negative 7 upon 11 greater than negative 3 upon 4. In this way, we can solve remaining example. Please try to solve the remaining example and practice solve example as above. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.